Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. It's going to be a quick video working on a 2005 Toyota Tundra. I'm just going to go over how you need to wire if you want to wire up heated seats to the factory switch. And I think what I've seen online is what people are messing up is that if you're going to use the factory switch already has power going to it, so you don't need your power that comes with the seat. So this is the wiring harness that came with the seat, so you can plug this into the seat. So here's the seat, here's your wires coming off, and we're splicing these wires into the factory switch. So the power wire you don't need. All right, so we're just going to cap that off. Don't worry about that. With the ground wire, you're going to have to ground this wire. If you don't ground this wire, your switch is not going to work properly. So make sure that this ground wire gets grounded to something. We're going to put an end on this and ground it to this bolt right here. So we're going to ground that. Now, as far as your high and lows, here's a switch, and if you look at the switch right there, the positioning, we have number 1 right here in this top corner, number 2 is right there, and then we have 3, 4, 5, and 6 across the bottom. So the low being the yellow, we're going to hook up the low. All right, you can see the low here. I got that tapped in to the number 4, and then we have the high wire, which is our blue one in this case, and that is going to the number 6. Our ground wire, remember, is going to be grounded independently, and our power wire for the seat is not going to be used at all because we already have power. We have constant power coming in. In this case, we have our constant power coming into pin number 5. All right, so pin number 5, this blue wire on the factory switch is going to be our constant power. And if you hook it up properly and you have the ground wire on there, let's turn the key on. All your switches and the lights are going to work. All right, so there's our high, off is going to be completely off, and low is going to be completely off. So when you get it all hooked up, when your ground is plugged in, take your probe wire here, put it on volts, and just back probe everything and make sure it's working properly. But again, this is for a 2005 Toyota Tundra hooking up heated seats to the factory switch. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.